Hello kiddos. Let's learn capital ABCD using only two colors. Purple color, pink color. But before this, please share, subscribe, and like my channel, so let's start.
A for apple. B for box. C for cup. D for jug. E for eggplant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sunflower. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yellow. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.